Good morning this Monday, the 6th of March. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. The ASX rose 0.4% in the final trading session of last week, buoyed by a rally for communication services and healthcare stocks, while the REIT sector was the only sector to close in the red on Friday. For the week though, the key index posted a 0.32% loss, its fourth straight week of losses, as the sharp losses for REIT and financial stocks offset strong gains in the energy and materials sectors. The winning stocks from Friday's session were led by Liontown Resources, jumping over 13% following a broker note out of Bell Potter, where analyst Stuart Howe believes the lithium miners' shares could still have much further to run. Ramelius Resources rose 5.6% on Friday, and Netwealth Group rallied 4.95% to end the week higher. On the losing end though, Capricorn Metals fell 4%, Silver Lake Resources lost 3.74%, and Centuria Capital Group fell 3.7% on Friday. The most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients on Friday were Liontown Resources, Fortescue Metals Group and Mineral Resources. Over in the US, stocks rallied on Friday following a retreat in the Treasury yields from recent highs and comments from Atlanta's Federal Reserve President backing a slow and steady rate hike approach, which boosted investor sentiment. The Dow Jones rose 1.17%, the S&P 500 added 1.61%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq rose almost 2% on Friday. The yield on the 10-year Treasury note rose to 4.091% on Friday, while the 2-year US Treasury yield fell 0.4 basis points to 4.885%. Over in Europe, markets closed higher in the region following a positive global trend on Friday. Germany's DAX rose 1.64%, the French CAC added 0.88%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 rose just 0.04%. It's a big week this week on the economic calendar as the RBA announces the latest rate hike decision for Australia on Tuesday, and later in the week we'll gain an insight into how the US labour market is faring, with non-farm payrolls, unemployment and JOLTS job data all released later this week in the US. Ahead of the local trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX to open 0.87% higher to start the week on a positive note. Stocks trading ex-dividend today include QBE Insurance, Nick Scali, Sims, REA Group, Aluka Resources, Hello World Travel, Bendigo and Adelaide Bank, Insurance Australia Group and a few more. If you've been thinking about these stocks, it might be worth considering buying in today, as stocks trading ex-dividend generally trade lower on the ex-dividend date. Taking a look at commodities this morning, oil is trading almost 2% higher at $79.68 a barrel. Gold is up 1.05% at $1,855 an ounce, and iron ore is flat at $129 a tonne. The Australian dollar is buying 67 US cents, 91.75 Japanese yen, 56.24 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has increased its price target on Capricorn Metals to $4.67 from $4.35 and has increased its rating to a buy from a hold on the grounds of the company buying in at the dip ahead of Catalyst. Bell Potter sees recent share price depreciation provides an opportunity to buy into the company, as the company's management team has an excellent track record of delivering to plan. The gold miner is a sector leader. AISC, or all-in sustaining costs, are among the lowest in the sector, and the company has consistently strong cash generation per ounce produced. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Champion Iron following the formation of a pattern over a period of 274 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $7.95 to the range of $11.20 to $12 per share, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all we have time for today. Have a wonderful Monday and a wonderful week, and happy investing.